everybody, Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. 22 C8 Corvette Stingray. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. We did some really sweet mods of this car. Story behind it is this particular client has been a client for a long time. He has a 700 real horsepower 3-valve Mustang. He has a sweet Shelby supercharged Raptor we have in the shop right now doing some mods too. But he called and said, hey, I bought this C8 Corvette. Want to do some mods? And we're like, hell yes. So what we're going to do right now is I have Doug with me. We're going to go back and take a look to see what's done. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're going to check out the mods. Now, we did a lot to this. A lot of carbon fiber accessories, but a bunch of LINGENFELTER upgrades, as well as some RYFT exhaust, which is sick. We're going to look at that. But, you know, what here's cool about LINGENFELTER. So, when I'm 48. When I was younger, I used to read CarCraft. And when I was in high school, that's pretty much all I did, is just like read magazines, Hot Rod CarCraft, LINGENFELTER Corvettes. I'm in Indiana, and they're in Indiana. They're only like an hour from us. Now, I know they moved their headquarters to Michigan, but LINGENFELTER is right down the road. So it's really cool to still get parts from those guys. Check it out. LINGENFELTER carbon fiber intake manifold. This is like a max NA build on this. We did American Racing, long tube headers, and we also did with the LINGENFELTER manifold, which they suggest, the 95mm throttle body. Can't really see it. Then inside here we have the whole LINGENFELTER. It's my like Haltech air induction system. That's basically, it's crazy. It's no tuning required. You bolt all these parts on, let the car adapt, and that's all you got to do. We are going to watch that dyno pull. But Doug, check this out. This titanium exhaust sounds so sick. I wish we were on the left. We could have took a better look, but you can see it through the vents right here, and you can look underneath. The titanium sounds awesome. And of course, this car's nickname's Code Blue. It looks cool as well. So you know what we need to do now? Check out this dyno pull. Hey, before we look at these numbers, remember, so I'll put links in the description, or at least more info on the parts we did this. But that exhaust system, which is sick, is RYFT, RYFT. Awesome company. Check them out. DynoJet, SAE, 467 roll horsepower, 6,000 RPM. Torque comes in at 452, 5,000 on the naturally aspirated C8 Vet with a LINGENFELTER Max NA package, they call it. But it's a cool car. You know, you watch our videos and you know we do a lot of Mustangs and F-150s. Every once in a while, you might see other vehicles come through here, but 99% of the time, it's because we've already built cars for these clients and they really like what we do. And like I said, he has a sick 3-valve Mustang, but he's got this right here as well and want us to do some mods to it. So it came out great. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. We're in Indiana. Subscribe and notify us up to date. Thanks for watching.